So welcome back to the Crypto Infinity channel. As for you all know, my name is Hector, and unfortunately, I have not been able to be onto YouTube for the past month or so. But I am back now, and I appreciate your patience. But now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have our market cap sitting at $1.12 trillion. We are over $1 trillion now from the last time that I made a video. Our Bitcoin dominance is at 40.5%. Our ETH dominance is at 19.2%. And our ETH gas is at 11 Gwei. Our 24-hour volume is $70 billion. So we are over 2% over the last 24 hours. Again, Bitcoin is at 23,800. Ethereum is sitting at 1,700. XRP sitting at the number 6 spot at 37 cents. Cardano, 53 cents. We have a lot of things to talk about Cardano on this video. Solana, horrible, $42, but it is horrible. So many hacks have been going on, and as you all know, there has been a hack that I think reached about 15,000 wallets, I believe. But I mean, it's not too much to get into that. But we do have Polkadot here at $9.19 at the number 10 spot. It did overtake Dogecoin to jump in the top 10 again. So we have AVAX down here, Avalanche at $27.89. Polygon, 92 cents. We do have Litecoin down here at $62. FTX token, $31. Chainlink, $8. Huge discount. Chronos, CRO is at 15 cents. XLM, Stellar, is sitting at 12 cents. Again, we have a lot on the discount radar. But again, as of right now, everything's pretty much in a good pickup zone. But I wouldn't suggest getting into anything as of right now because we are on the pump. I do believe a dump is coming. But again, we'll get into that later on in this video. So again, we do have Bitcoin sitting at 23,700. It did reach that 50 day SMA. So we are heading in a good direction. As you see here, we are reaching higher lows. Let me get the paintbrush down here. So again, higher lows every time we're going up, and right here it does look like we have peaked right here, and we are headed up. But again, don't get too much confidence into the markets right now. So we are in pretty much dangerous spot. We did take a dip down here, pretty bad dip, and then a dip here. So we have the ABC retracement. So I believe this is A, B, and then we are in need of another one. And then I believe after that we will be headed upwards. But again, I do believe towards the end of August we will have another retracement. But again, that's just my opinion. Don't take that as financial advice. But again, let's get on to Ethereum charts. So Ethereum is pretty much doing the same thing. We had that big drop down here. Same with Bitcoin. Second drop down here, and we are headed up. Again, higher lows. So low right here, low right there. We did hit almost the same low right there, but right here and right here, we are headed up again. We did cross that 50 and 100 day SMA, and this is on the 4-hour chart. So it's looking pretty good, but again, don't get too confident. We could head down, and we could see some downward momentum for all the crypto market. We could as well reach below $1 trillion for the market cap. But again, we'll take it by the day and see what happens. So our technicals for Ethereum is sitting at as a buy level. So if you want to get in right now, it's a good time also. But again, not financial advice, but I do believe we are headed towards another retracement. But again, that's just me. So crypto bubbles for the week, we are sitting pretty nice compared to last week. So we have Celsius. I wouldn't get into Celsius. That's just me. But we have Toncoin at $1.21. We have Flow at $3.03. Rose sitting at 10, almost 11 cents right now. Near Protocol, we do have it at $5.43 at the moment as we speak. Avalanche has been having that pump today from the Robinhood listing. So it's sitting at $27 compared to last week, it's sitting at $22. And for the day we did peak at around $30 for today, but we are headed downwards now, pretty much pump and dump due to that listing. So again, like I said, pretty much the whole market is looking pretty nice. But again, don't get too confident, and let's not FOMO into anything as of right now. But again, we will keep our eye on the markets. Robinhood, Avalanche, and XLM are now on Robinhood. It would be so sweet if we would get a wallet for XLM and Avalanche to be able to transfer it off Robinhood. That would be very bullish, be very nice, especially for all these other cryptos that have been listed. We don't have a lot of wallets on Robinhood, but again, we are heading in the right direction with Robinhood, even due to the layoffs that they had. I think it was about a week ago. But again, we'll see what happens within the coming weeks and days. So on to our first article, we do have billionaire Mark Cuban criticizing Cardano. He does say Dogecoin has more use cases than ADA. I mean, he is a big Dogecoin maxi, I guess you could say, Doge and ETH. But I don't think Cardano could fall below Dogecoin, in my opinion. But again, that's just me. So Shark Tank investor Mark Cuban says Cardano hasn't yet proven itself as a viable crypto project compared to some of the other big names. In the interview with Altcoin Daily, Cuban says if Charles Hoskinson was on Shark Tank, he would ask the Cardano founder where his revenues were. But again, I do believe that Cardano is headed in the right direction, especially with this merge coming up. So Dogecoin has no chance as of right now. Now, if something comes up, then I will retake a look at it. But as of right now, Dogecoin stands no chance to Cardano. Cardano is just super. Let's just put it this way: Cardano will flip Ethereum. It will. It's not if it will flip it, but when will it flip it? So again, that's just my opinion and not financial advice. But Cardano is a superpower. Super. Can't even explain it. So again, that's where I stand on Cardano. So crypto markets have found a floor as anticipation builds that Ethereum merge is viable in 2022, according to J.P. Morgan. So crypto prices may have found a floor in recent weeks. Bitcoin has jumped 36% from its mid-June low, while Ethereum is up 102% over the same time frame. So we think that the real driver has been the Ethereum merge and positive data. I don't really think it's much for the Ethereum merge, even though it is coming. But the positive data we have had a bunch of positive news for the crypto market that's causing this crypto rally. So again, after Bitcoin fell as much as 75% from its peak, the crypto markets appear to have found the floor. As of right now, again, we was stating earlier that we have made higher lows every time within this past couple months. So if we take a look, starting from June 22nd or June 18th to like every other week, we have made a higher low. So again, we are sitting in August 8th, and it's looking pretty good for now. But again, we'll take it by the day and see what happens. So Bitcoin and Ethereum have surged 36 and 102%. So analysts at JP Morgan say that there are two reasons driving the recent strength in the crypto market. What has helped, we think, has been more limited new contagion from the collapse of Terra and Luna, referring to the stablecoin implosion that led to tens of billions of dollars in losses. So pretty much that also sparked the leverage unwind that wiped out crypto firms like hedge fund Three Arrows Capital and crypto broker Voyager Digital. However, we do think that the real driver has been the Ethereum merge, and again, I do not believe that the Ethereum merge is driving this, even though it is coming. But again, I don't think this is has anything to do with the market rally as of right now. So the upcoming Ethereum event has been highly anticipated by investors. The merge is designed to transfer the Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake, which is supposed to be faster and more transactions per second, TPS, more efficient, and also with energy consumption perspective when mining. So the successful Ethereum merge later this year should help boost sentiment in the crypto markets. There should be better. People just get bullish and will FOMO into the markets, and trust me, it will happen. So again, just be careful with what you're investing in, and just do your own research. So another thing that is coming is Gorily. Ethereum's last rehearsal before the merge. So the Prater upgrade, the first component to the upcoming Go Early testnet merge, is happening this week. So this was posted on August 3rd, updated on August 4th, and it is supposed to be coming anytime between the 6th and the 12th. Obviously, yes, we are on the 8th, but I don't think it's happened yet. Not that I've seen. I have looked into it, but I don't see any news on it, so I don't believe it has happened. And plus, if it has, you would have heard of it already. So I mean, obviously, it hasn't happened. But again, 6 through the 12, so it can literally happen any day, any moment now. Most likely, it will happen before this Friday, because again, we are on the 8th. So by Friday, we will be on the 12th. So yes, of course, we will see that merge coming up. Well, that testnet by this Friday, by the end of this week. So again, we'll see what happens. So the validator and the node, this is your last chance to go through the process before the mainnet. So Go Early is expected to transition to proof of stake sometime between August 6th and the 12th, though this could change depending on how fast the hash rate functions. While many will have their eyes on the September merge date, the last test will set the stage for what happens on the Ethereum mainnet. So again, just last week, Ethereum developers announced the parameters for which the Go Early merge will occur. The test is a two-step process, with the first step happening most likely today or tomorrow, which is the third and the fourth. The first step is known as Bellatrix or Bellatrix, whatever you want to call it, which is when Go Early's beacon chain Prater upgrades in preparation for the testnet merge. So again, there's a lot of merges coming up. Well, not a lot, but there is two merges. So we do have the Ethereum last merge, the mainnet merge, and we also have the Cardano Basel hard fork. So again, these two merges will have a major disruption in the industry, crypto markets, and everything related to crypto. So we should see a run up right before the merges. And of course, they're not going to happen at the same time. So we will see that Ethereum run up, and then we will see the Cardano run up. But again, usually those types of schemes are, once they pump, boom, they got you. You better be ready to dump, because the markets will be taking a dump on you if you're not ready to dump. Again, pump and dump. It's an obvious scheme. So Cardano Vaso hard fork hit with another delay for several weeks. So again, this article was from July 29th, but again, I'm getting into it right now. So again, the Vaso hard fork was originally scheduled to go live in June, but teams behind the Cardano blockchain development have prioritized a smooth network transition. So after failing to go live last month, it was supposed to go live at the end of July. The Cardano Vaso hard fork is delayed again as teams behind the Cardano blockchain development target a smooth network upgrade, input, output, global, and with the organization responsible for Cardano's research and development released a YouTube update on Thursday on the upcoming Vaso hard fork. So again, we pretty much don't want what's going on with Solana to happen to Cardano, because Solana is just a mess. It's just horrible, whatever's been going on. There's been a lot of hacks. They don't have their shit straight. And I mean, we'll see what happens with Solana, even though I believe it's going to go downhill for Solana. Cardano is my main bet. Ethereum is good, but Cardano will be I will get a big bag of Cardano, and well, a bigger bag, I could say. So again, we'll just take a look at these markets within the coming days. I will be making videos more often. So again, the Vaso hard fork is the biggest upgrade to Cardano since the Alonso hard fork, which was completed in September 21. So again, we could see a similar time frame for the Vaso hard fork. September 2022 could be possibly when it comes to merge. So the upcoming fork is positioned as a game changer in the Cardano development, as it's expected to improve the network in terms of speed and scalability, making it more suitable for smart contracts and dApps. So again, Cardano is my main bet. I do believe Ethereum will do well, but Cardano will do even better. But again, that's pretty much that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. And again, I apologize for being out for so long. It has been due to unforeseen circumstances. It's just a lot of stuff going on, and I do apologize again. But thanks, and until next time.